Hey everyone, it's Amber from The Sensible Mama, and today I'm here to do a really cool packing video for you. This one is actually not a diaper bag packing video, but it is a tote packing video, so let me show you. This is the brand new carrying tote from Tegu. If you've not seen Tegu before, it is a company that creates magnetic blocks. Every block has a magnet inside, which means they stick together. This really helps kids be able to create super cool designs that don't fall down immediately because they're all stuck together. This pouch was created so that kids can carry all of their Tegu blocks in one little carrying case, which I think is super cool. The Tegu blocks come in a pack of 14, and if you have more than one set, that's a whole lot of blocks, and it's hard to find something that carries all of those blocks really nicely. Plus, those blocks can get heavy because they're wooden and they have magnets in them. So you need something super lightweight if you're gonna have your little kids carrying them around. And this thing is just perfect for that. But you know me, I like to be extra with everything that I do. So today I'm not showing you how this is packed for Tegu blocks because I know you know how to dump blocks into a tote and carry it with you. I'm actually showing how this can be packed up as an activity kit for your little ones that they can carry on their own, whether you're going into a restaurant or putting it out at a picnic or something like that. So I want to show you all the cool stuff that is packed in here today. Of course, everything that's in here is available either at thesensiblemama.com or sometimes on Amazon. I will have all of that stuff linked down below to make it easy for you to get to. We ship same day if you order before 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and next day if you order after 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you see something in here that catches your eye, you can use the link down in the description box to shop. So that said, let's dive right into it. Okay, so this is the Tegu carrying case. I've got this all packed up with a few of my kids' favorite activities. I'm gonna show you what all is in here today. All right, so as you can see, we've got a lot of really cool stuff packed up in here. I like making sure that my kids have lots of options while we're on the go because they're 3 and 5. They get bored easily with stuff. So one of the first things that you'll see in here is I do have a bunch of their Tegu blocks. So this is 23 pieces. One pack of Tegu comes with a set of 14. So I've got almost 2 full sets in here. I could have put more in if I wanted, but I wanted to utilize this space up here for some other things. So my kids do have plenty of blocks to play with if they want to pull these out and start building things. It's good to go. We took them to a restaurant this weekend and they spent most of their time waiting for the food to come, just playing with their Tegu. This is my favorite thing about these magnetic blocks for cleanup. It just, boop, pick them all up at once. It's great. Next, I have a kitted kit. This one is the Rainbow on the Go kit. I'm gonna open up a different one that's already open rather than opening this one and making it unsellable. But this one is for slightly older kids because this involves writing tools. This comes with black scratch-off paper and solid white paper. You get a scratch-off pen that comes in here which allows you to scratch the black paint off of this and reveal a rainbow underneath. And then it comes with one of those pens that have like 6 different colors inside so that they can color on the white paper. So if you have little ones who like to be artistic, this is a great one to bring with you. If your little ones are on the younger side, they might really like this kit. This one is the Magical Meadow Unicorn Kit, and it is Abby's absolute favorite. It comes with a little pack of 6 colors of neon clay, plus 2 little unicorn figurines, like this, and a little foldable play mat for them to lay down and play with the clay. Next in here, I have a little 4-piece puzzle block set. This one is really cool. It's by Begin Again, and it's got 4 blocks inside, and each block side has got a different animal on it, so they can work to make bunches of different animals here, and they can use this little box that it comes in to sit and play. So they can work on getting their little character all put together, finding all the sides of the same animal, and then starting to move it around to actually solve the puzzle, which is really cool. Lastly is one of the things that I'm most excited about. This right here sold out the first day that we got it, but we did get it back in stock today. I'm just praying that it's not sold out by the time this video goes live today. If it is, we'll be getting more. But this is a little activity kit from Jack Bird that we just got in stock last week. Again, it sold out right away. But I've added something to it which I think is really cool. Check this out. These are the Uli chalk crayons. These are so hyper pigmented, you guys. My kids are absolutely obsessed with these because they color so nicely. And the best part is that these are completely wipeable, which means they will come right off of any chalkboard surface. And what's cool is that obviously these do not come included with the Jack Jack Bird kit, but what you do get is a set of, I forgot that Abby was playing with this weekend. You get a set of little cards that look like this for your kids to trace. Now look at, I'm so proud. Proud mama moment, guys. This is Roman, my 5-year-old, practicing tracing his letters, and he was actually using the purple crayon from the Ulu kit. So there are letters that they can trace, cursive letters, numbers, a clock face, and shapes. And each side comes with a blank side as well, so that they can, you know, just draw freely if they want to. What's great about all of these is that they are completely wipeable with a wet rag or a wipey, so they can clean right up and you can play again. And if you're not interested in buying these separate chalk crayons from Uli, this little kit actually does come with its own set of chalk crayons. There's a little pouch right here that's meant for them, so you can put them in there, just like this. These are called butter sticks, and what I think is so cool about these is they're like butter. They do not create any dust. They feel almost like clay in your hands, even though they write just like chalk, but they don't create any dust and they wipe up perfectly easily with a wet rag or a wipey. And again, those come included with this Jack Jack Bird pouch. Now, the last thing that I had in here is a Bumpkins small bag from their little 3-pouch window set. And in here, I've got Jack Jack Bird markers. And what's really cool about these is if you're just not a chalk person, if you don't like cleaning up after chalk or you're worried about your kids breaking them, you can also use these markers on any of these little mats. They're super bright and pigmented. And just like the chalk crayons, these wipe up with a wipey or a wet rag. And that's basically everything that I had inside of here today. All right, everyone, so that was it for today's video, all about the Tegu travel tote for the Tegu blocks, packed as an activity kit. If you have any questions, leave them down in the description box below. Love ya, mean it, always, mwah, and I'll see you in the next one.